Welcome to RetireEasy Life Plan Professional, the best way to manage your clients' retirement plans. Life Plan Professional enables financial advisors to manage and review client portfolios, as well as model future scenarios. RetireEasy is an easy-to-use online application which enables you and your clients to plan, visualize, and manage their finances throughout retirement. RetireEasy Life Plan does all the hard work by calculating everything from tax — the system is regularly updated to reflect current tax rates — to calculating the impact that inflation and investment returns will have on retirement plans. With RetireEasy Life Plan Professional, you get access to a sophisticated dashboard that enables you to view and manage all clients quickly with ease. You can add a new client using a very simple form, containing some basic questions about the client. There are no limits on how many clients can be added to the account of each registered advisor. You can also grant access to individual clients, enabling them to log in and edit their assets and liabilities and generate reports, collaboratively with you. Alternatively, for some clients, you may decide only read-only or even no access is more appropriate. From your dashboard, you can generate intelligent reports, which can include your summary, all charts and breakdowns, and your recommendations. All of this costs just £75 per advisor per month for individuals or firms with up to 4 advisors, and £60 per advisor per month for larger firms. Here's how RetireEasy Professional Life Plan works. Welcome to the RetireEasy tutorial video. RetireEasy is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. It's a powerful tool and will give you the opportunity to incorporate all of your financial circumstances so that it can calculate how you make the most of your assets in retirement. Before we start, here are some important things to remember. The more information you put in, the more accurate picture you will have of what you can draw from your savings and assets during retirement. You can enter this information over as many sessions as you wish. Life Plan will automatically save what you want to keep. You can change the data at any time. So, let's get started. Begin by entering some personal information. When completed, click on Save and Continue. Always do this after entering new data or editing any page, and you will be taken to the next page in sequence. You will find useful tooltips throughout the program, adjacent to each field to be populated, giving advice on how to complete each section. Then you can estimate your desired level of income during retirement, after tax, mortgage and debt payments. This can always be changed later, and you can even apply reductions in this income level as you get older. You will be asked on the next page to make some basic assumptions required by the program, including future inflation and growth and yields on your investments and pensions. These are long-term estimates, covering the whole period of the life plan, and we give you some hints on how to do this. The assumptions can be adjusted at any time. When returning to the life plan, you can go straight to the page you need using the navigation bars on the right of each screen. As you proceed through the program for the first time, it will let you know how far you are and which categories remain to be completed. On each page, you will be prompted to enter relevant data and make some basic assumptions on how you think your home value will grow, for instance. You can enter the details of any pensions you have, from personal pensions or SIPs to final salary or state pensions. You can easily program further contributions prior to retirement. Then you can add any assets you have, from personal savings and investments right through to property and business assets. Unit trusts, bonds and shares are taken care of within the savings and personal investments section. You can select different growth and yield assumptions for each investment, or use the general assumptions you made earlier. You will always have the opportunity to enter as many assets as you like in each category by clicking on the Add More ISAs link, for instance. Once all of your assets have been entered, you will be taken to pages where you can enter any debts you have, apart from your mortgage. If you don't have any, just don't tick anything and click Save and Continue. Then you can proceed to enter any sources of income not entered in the Pensions section. This could include future income from an inheritance, for example. Finally, you will be taken to a series of screens where you can enter details of your estimated outgoings. You will be prompted here to reconfirm the amount of money you wish to spend each year. You can then apply reductions in the money you draw as you get older. Estimated outgoings include future expenses, which may be one-offs or repeated over a number of years. You can even make provision here for care home costs later in life. Now your RetireEasy Life Plan has all the information it needs to give you a comprehensive projection of your finances throughout your retirement. At all times, your RetireEasy Life Plan will take into account the effects of taxation and inflation to calculate what all this means for your lifestyle in retirement. Your life plan will automatically be updated whenever tax rates change. Your RetireEasy Life Plan will also give you the opportunity to see what these future sums mean at today's values, so that you will always be able to understand the real implications for your lifestyle. Whenever you return to your life plan, you will see on every input page a summary report, showing you what your total remaining assets will be at any selected age, and whether at some point your liquid assets will run out. If this is earlier than you would like, now is the time to start planning rather than just worrying. There are many ways in which you can plan your future to delay that day. A future home downsize perhaps, or a reduction in your annual spend later in life. There is a comprehensive glossary, accessible from the Help section, to explain what terms used in the program mean. There is also a list of frequently asked questions, FAQs, in the Help section, which should help answer most of your common queries. If you have any questions not answered by the Tooltips, Glossary or the FAQ section, these can be put to RetireEasy's Help Desk by using the Email Support button within the Help section. Simply select the category of query and send us your question. We will do our best to respond within 2 working days. Remember, retire easy. Don't worry. Be happy.